Click. Click. Nothing? Is your Dyson V10 suddenly giving you the silent treatment? It's a heartbreaking moment when your favorite cleaning partner decides to ghost you right in the middle of a mess. So, what's happening under the hood? This usually boils down to two main culprits: a faulty motor that's finally given up the ghost, or a snapped internal trigger module. That satisfying click you used to feel? If it's gone mushy or doesn't click at all, that's a broken trigger. But don't toss it in the bin just yet. RoboCare has the solution to bring your Dyson back from the dead. At RoboCare, we don't just fix vacuums, we master them. We understand that the V10 is a precision instrument, and we treat it like one. Using specialized diagnostic equipment and precision opening tools, we safely access the internal motor housing, a task that's notoriously difficult for the average DIY-er. Once inside, we don't just guess. We pinpoint exactly why the motor failed and identify the structural break in your trigger module. We then replace these faulty parts with genuine components. We ensure every connection is seated perfectly and every seal is airtight, restoring that signature Dyson suction power you rely on. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Listen to that roar. With a brand new motor and a reinforced trigger, this V10 is officially back in action, delivering 100% suction power once again. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, if you're staring at a dead Dyson V10 and feeling that same frustration I did, don't throw it away. And definitely don't try to perform surgery on it yourself. Talk to the experts at RoboCare. They're professional and they actually care about the quality of their work.
Ready to revive your vacuum? Contact RoboCare today for expert repairs on all brands. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.